welcome to another video, and welcome to a video where we're heading back round the Nürburgring, and we're going to be taking the Ford Mustang Dark Horse, which I have for a little bit of time actually. So I've come straight from Calais, straight here. I'm knackered, but I've rushed to get a lap in. So we will jump in the Dark Horse and I'll take you round. It's eventful. Things go wrong. Should we say that? Things do go wrong in this video. So stay tuned. Right, here we go. This is so last minute. So last minute, it's crazy, but we're going to give it a go. Yeah, it's very last minute. Basically, you got to be on the track in 4 minutes time. 4 minutes. I mean, doesn't give me very long, does it? Went in, bought 2 laps. That is commitment. It's just nice because tomorrow I'm in the GTD and I just want it to be like I've been round before I'm getting in a car like that. So that's why I just wanted to go out. So we need to go to track mode. Hopefully I'll be better than last time. I was getting stick online because I was I wasn't going fast enough, but hopefully today we will. So track mode's on, so all good. Up to the barrier. Yeah, let's just have some fun. I mean, that's what it's all about, tourist laps, isn't it? The barrier opens and away we go. So let's see. Right, always makes me a bit nervous, but let's go. Oh, I love the manual. The manual is so cool. There's cones at the end. But yeah, guys, come with me. Let's have some fun. It's nice to be able to take you round. I've only got 23% fuel, so it might only be 1 lap. Let's see how we go. I'm going to build it up as I go along. a disaster. I had that camera fall off, my dash fall off, I was underprepared. I don't even think that's a video. Genuine. Oh, that was just a disaster. That was an absolute disaster. But the bits I was going for it, I'll try and make a video out of it. Everything's a video, guys. Because I want to show, like, that you went out the pits, you went flat out. I just can't believe all the cameras are falling off. Like, anyway. I will happily call that disaster. But that's what happens when you've just done a 5-hour trip and you've rushed and you've just put all your cameras on. But I feel like I know it better. Like, I was actually pushing quite a lot then. Considering I've not been around it since I was here in the M3, it wasn't like, to be fair, it wasn't shocking. So, yeah, I mean, like, it was one of those things. There's a few corners which you would have missed there, which is a bit of a shame. But, yeah, I like showing the rawness of it. That is ridiculous. Someone's going around in 296. Speciale. That is mental. Absolutely mental. But yeah, I think we'll make something of that. I think I was pushing a lot, but just annoying that, oh, it's so annoying. I just wanted a lap where it just wasn't interrupted then. But it felt good. It felt good. Like I was actually pushing then. Like, it was actually nice to push. Oh, it's so annoying. I was actually enjoying that. I'm gonna have to figure a solution out for this camera here for the GTD, because that's not gonna work. But anyway, that's my problem. I'm gonna round that one off there. I think that's a video. Is it a video when it goes wrong? Yeah. Yeah. I guess. There'll just be a few corners that won't probably work or make much sense there, but anyway, it's fine. I'll just have to make do what we can. But yeah, all in all, it was a lot of fun. I'm just a bit upset that I couldn't show you guys. Didn't have time to fuel and the camera. Otherwise, we would have just been pushing. I felt better. Like, I felt much better than I have done in the past around here. And I felt like I was pushing on quite hard then, considering I've not been around it since I was here in my M3. So, I hope you enjoyed it. I'll leave it there. Thank you for watching.